Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to install Microsoft PowerToys from GitHub step by step. Downloading PowerToys directly from the official GitHub repository is a great way to get the latest stable release published by the Microsoft developers. So let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and go to the official Microsoft PowerToys GitHub releases page. Once you're there, scroll to the latest stable release and look for the Assets section near the bottom of the release notes. That's where you'll find the installation files. Next, download the installer that matches your computer's architecture. For most modern Windows computers, the x64 installer is the correct choice. If you're unsure which version your computer uses, you can check your Windows system information before downloading. After the download finishes, open your Downloads folder and double-click the installer file. If Windows displays a user account control prompt, click Yes to allow the installer to make changes to your device. Now, follow the installation wizard. Accept the license agreement if prompted, keep the default installation settings unless you have a specific preference, and click Install. The setup usually takes only a minute or two to complete. Once the installation is finished, click Finish to launch Microsoft PowerToys. You can now explore features like Fancy Zones, Power Rename, Keyboard Manager, Always on Top, and many other productivity tools. If you plan to use PowerToys regularly, you may also want to enable the option to run it automatically when Windows starts. And that's it. You now know how to install Microsoft PowerToys from GitHub safely and easily. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with others, and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.